Alright, so I'm gonna make my way back to the car to leave the tripod, and then I'll continue taking just pictures. So let me showcase some of these cars. I'm so glad we got into their facilities before they started putting music, just because it's so much easier to, I can listen to my voice. No, you guys know that with the music in the background, copyright, and then also I have to do more of a work of voiceovers and things like that. So super stoked. One of my most favorite colors in the Porsche lineup, I don't know the name of it. It's not Laguna Seca Blue. This is a different type of color, but wow, beautiful. It also sounds beautiful. Very nice. Lotus is clean too. Subaru looking really nice. Some of the cars that were parked in the overflow, I mean, look at this extremely clean S chassis. Wow. Damn. I think we've seen this car at some previous meets, but I think at night. First time I'm seeing it during the day. It's just so clean. Very, very clean S13 here. Very cool. Super cool. E36 seems like it's boosted. Don't know what kind of engine. Maybe it's the OEM one. But it looks very aggressive with the fender flares. I think it has over fenders and fender flares. Nice interior. Very nice cage. Yeah. Make sure I don't scratch a car. Let me get out of the way. Oh, there's Donnie. What's up, Donnie? There's Donnie and Posty. Poster or homie. Little Frenchie. Another S chassis car. Very, very clean. Speaking of clean cars, Donnie's car. One of the cleanest, if not the cleanest Civic sedan in Southern California this generation. Of course, that's a bold statement, but I'm biased because I really, really like his car. So I'll say it. I think this is Royce. I think it is. Very nice, clean car. Exhaust manifold, intake manifold, sorry, it's on this side, so it's only to make sense, right? Just a D series backwards. I think this is, let me see. Oh, there it is. There it is, Matt. It is, Matt. Always on time, man. Always on time.
I said you don't waste no time.
Oh, nah.
Papa said always on time.
I'm always on time and always on time. A little bit of both. It is, Matt.
Hey, doesn't matter what the show is out here, you know.
Hey, even remember the steak concert? Remember the steak concert? It was pouring rain.
Hey,
Rain stuff.
just get you some legs, bro.
He's wearing some windbreaker and shorts. Like,
It's the only thing that fits. You gotta show off my sexy legs. Gotta get a tan, you know?
That's right, that's right.
You know how it goes.
I'm afraid to say go like this, cause
It's gonna be all
he
white.
said farmer said.
Farmer's tan is real. Hey, Posty. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I'll catch you guys later. Nice chatting with Alex and his brother and his homie. Definitely get sidetracked, man. So yeah, the rolling is it's full effect. They're gonna be parking, I think, a few more cars inside. There's tons and tons of cool cars. Definitely the place to be. I like the fact that there's variety. You know, there's Porsches, there's BMWs, there's Hondas, old school stuff. So definitely a great time. And there's a stock Supra there, which you don't see, so that might be even more rare than in some of these other cars. Oh, let me get out of his way. Beautiful RSX, very simplistic. Our buddy Sinister NSX parked right here. One of the cleanest NSX in Southern California. Man, you know, it's a great event when a car like this is parked here, because there's just not enough room inside, you know. So very cool, very clean car. We had the pleasure and honor to be able to interview him. Let's make our way to this parking lot. You guys know that I like going to the quiet spots. Mustang, Subaru on bags, very, very nice. I sometimes do miss the Subaru that I had. Not enough to the point where I would want to go buy one right now. I always felt like the car was fast, but it was heavy, and I think it's because of the all-wheel drive system. And again, this is coming from someone who doesn't know how to drive, doesn't have that driving skill. So I'm not trying to pretend like, oh, I know exactly what that's my honest opinion. I felt the car was a little heavy on some ends. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is Alex's brother's car. I don't know. Freaking cool though. I just saw this car, and that's why I think it's him. I could be wrong though, but right hand drive, very nice. Love the front bumper. Gives me 90s Fast and Furious vibes. So super cool. Subaru, I don't know which one's a GR, which one's a 86, and which one's anything. So they, no disrespect to them, but they look the same to me. But super nice. FK8, TEs, Mac Blue. I love the chop on that Corvette. You guys can hear in the background, it's just chop, 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 chop. Beautiful NSX. My buddy's trying to buy one. I'm sure he will. I was telling him, like, I may sound like a hater, but it's just not one of those cars that I'm like, you know. But then I see this one, and I'm like, damn. Now, I love it. NSXs. There's, I mean, I don't know what year this one is, but let's go with 90s, right? How is that car from the 90s still looking that good? I just don't get it. And this one, like for instance, Hector's, his car is stupid clean, but you can tell that it's an older car. I suppose with the NSX is, you really can't tell, at least in my opinion, you can't tell that it's that old classic of a car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tripod away because I think I'm done with the rolling footage, unless I change my mind and I kind of hang out over here. For the most part, I just want to show some of the cars. I'm not able to show all the cars. There's a lot of cars right now, so just some that grab my attention. Like for instance, this yellow one. It's really, really nice. More yellow. And Ferrari. Let's go this way. Very nice. Corvette rolling up. Thank you for the etiquette to the owner, letting me pass by. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, man. Appreciate it, man. FK8s with Sonic Blue Pearl, I think that's what it's called. 2JZ Supra. Oh man, sorry, I'll go back to the Supra, but yeah, I see Evo 10 and I must turn. I love Evo 10s. I just love Evos, man. I love Evo 10s. All right, Supras. Cool. It's a Supra. Nah, not trying to be disrespectful to the owner. I just, you know, you guys know, the few that follow the channel. Ooh, I get more excited about something like this. What is that? Toyota Soarer. Wow, that's super cool. Morning. I don't know if he was saying good morning to me, but I'm still gonna say good morning to him. It's orange in this Lexus. Looks really nice. Cool. I like the creativity on the different color patterns. Very nice stance. Subaru. Oh. Gotta angle more. Man. Another FK8. I remember where the FKs were supposed to be limited number of them made. One of my favorites at the meet. Love the boxiness. Nice. This is cool. MR2 Rig on Master wheels. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. I really like the red on it as well. So I dropped off the tripod, so I'm gonna start taking pictures. There's so much to see that I'm not gonna have an issue finding cool cars to take pictures of, so it's easy. Thing slam. Really low. Nice. Oh, there it is. Yes. Nice. Pretty big lineup coming up. Hey, did I say I like the Evos? So cool, man. So nice. Very nice. Ooh, nice and simple. El Comandante made it? What? Where is this guy? How did I miss his wagon? Man. Hopefully I get to catch up with you, Vato. I didn't see you. Man. Super, super clean. He washed it yesterday. Let's continue to show some love. Some of the cars on the parking lots on the side. I really enjoy when the cars are just, you know, there's a lot of people, so always trying to catch the little corners where there's not a lot going on, but a lot of clean cars. We've seen this one at plenty of car events. Very cool. Hope his GoPro's recording, because otherwise I wouldn't leave my GoPro just like that. But very nice. I think it's EG Justin on IG. That T37 combo works. Very, very clean car. The challenge is always to record cars without getting people, you know. Very nice. Homie Adams, beautiful RSX, just chilling here. Look at this. Ooh, damn. Got the new seats. I think I mentioned that in the last video. I think you already had them. Yeah. Damn. Very nice. Beautiful. Are the cones for you?
No. I'm gonna hit up Angel.
Okay. Ahí va. Morning. Clean. You guys know how I feel about the 830s, man. It's a perfect wheel and tire setup. GT3. Beautiful car, man. 997 GT3. Enough said. Very nice, Italy. Super cool with the cutout bumper in the rear. That thing looks dope. Very nice. Convertible 991 maybe, or 997 I think it is. I can't tell. 7. Very cool. I love these cars. 2-liter for you. Nice plates. Wow. This car is so cool. So cool. One of my all-time favorite cars. I don't know why, just they look so rad. They're small. Power to weight ratio is perfect. Because the power is not really, I think it's sub 200. I think it's 180. The 2JZ. I mean, I could be wrong, but it's compared to how light it is, it's crazy. Honda Fit, very nice on the RPF1 wheels. But yeah, kudos to this guy. This thing is rad. Really like the lease. Damn, man, the CRX brought my attention. Just the simple OEM wheels, mild drop, and looks so nice. Very cool, very simplistic. Yeah, it works. M3 looks so nice. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoy that coverage. There's so many cars, so if I didn't get yours, I do apologize. Don't take it personal. There's just so many different cars, and I took a lot of pictures, as much as I could. Thank you, like I mentioned, Time Attack RS feature for opening up your home and letting us in. I had to leave beforehand. I have another commitment that I needed to go to, so I did not get to see the unveiling, but I'm sure I'm going to be able to see a lot of pictures of it, and it should be a pretty rad build. Porsche GT3, that's all I need to know. But yeah, I appreciate everybody who stopped by, say hi. It's always welcome. And now we're cruising home, so should be a good time. So I appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.